You got tomatoes?
Tomato too. I got plenty. I need to give it. I'm not put by the kilo thing here.
Yeah, go ahead. Put some.
6 pieces of bread for
I put by the kilo thing. But I do another that it tastes like this. I go do my barbecue.
You taking a picture of me, man? Ah! Oh, you got some big boobies to be 65 years old.
Wow, 65 years old.
Yeah.
There's something there over there. What is that over there? Somebody sit up.
That's good.
Somebody.
They have to remove the camera. Go see what the hell it is roll over.
How you doing, miss? We cooking out.
Nice day.
I know. I see your poochies.
Huh?
What's your dog's name?
I have to go move the TV because nobody goes to move.
Jin Jin? You need to put your hands on it. You need to beat it with a stick. I mean, push it with a stick. Beat it with a stick. Oh, mama. Somebody was sleeping in the middle of the road last night, probably. Look at somebody to run them over. Oh, calm down. Worry about her VCR. Look at that. Looking nice and tasty. Wow.
Oh, I don't need no cow food. It's what he told me. Oh, when I get back, I feel he lying chill motherfucker.
Why are you cussing?
Cussing all day.
She did. Sound like William. I hope I don't be like that when I get 65 years old. You hear the birds raising hell, Willie?
My library?
You rushing me now, ain't you?
No, I don't have to do me. I don't have to what I'm going to do with 2 million. I will do it to stick it up for my eyes.
You hear the birds raising hell?
Go I come back and bring my 2 beer and run on my bed.